Ever notice how some app icons or images looks pixelated when you scale them up? Standard images just don't cut it for high-end UI. Today, we are going to fix that by mastering SVGs in Flutter using the Flutter SVG package. Let's dive in. First thing first, Flutter doesn't render SVG natively. We need the Flutter SVG library. This is the Flutter SVG package. Head over to your pubspec.yaml and add it under dependencies. Now let's get that graphic on screen. Here I have added a SVG asset in my project. You can either retrieve the SVG image through HTTP network or add the image into the project and bundle together with the app. In order to render SVG asset, we can use SVG picture.assets constructor provided by the package. While if you are rendering network SVG image, use svg.network constructor. And that's it. This is how you render SVG content in your Flutter app. While Flutter SVG is powerful, it doesn't support every single SVG feature like complex CSS filters or certain gradients. If an SVG isn't rendering correctly, try running it through an SVG Optimizer to simplify the path before importing it into Flutter. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. What should we build next? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.